In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely erase your Windows computer, that being because maybe it's running slower, you got it from someone else and you want to start from scratch. Whatever the reason may be, I will show you how to do it. So basically, the first thing that you will need to do is go to the Start menu, lower left corner, click, and then we're going to click on Settings. Once we're on Settings, we click here, Update and Security. Then on the left menu, you will like to go for Recovery. And the option that will allow you to completely reset your computer will be the first one, Reset this PC. You just need to click Get Started. And here you will have two options. The first one is Keep My Files, and the second one is Remove Everything. So basically, Remove Everything is going to erase the whole computer, and you will basically be getting a computer like as if you just bought it from the store. And Keep My Files, what it's going to do, it's going to also remove all the software. Any changes that you made will be completely removed, but it will keep like the users folder, the folders that have the documents, the downloads, the pictures, the music, the desktop, all of that will be kept. All of the folders are contained in the users directory. So I don't want to reset my computer, so I'm going to leave it here, but you can choose one of these two and then the process will be very user friendly. Just read through and select whatever option they give you. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.